Hi everyone, question number 19 from exercise 1.2. Let us solve it. The question goes like this. Mr. Subbarao joins his job in 1995 at the annual salary of 5,000. I'll keep that 1995 as a reference point, it's as the origin, and the first term will be 5,000. And every year he gets an increment of 200 rupees. So 200 rupees per annum is the difference that's going to get added up. That's why I've written per annum. So per annum 200 rupees gets added up. Finally, he reaches the salary of 7,000 after certain number of years. We don't know that. So I call it as the last term or the nth term. But what is the value of n? We don't know. So which year does he get this 7,000? Which year? So that means first we have to find out the n value. Suppose n value is 3. Imagine n value is 3, the third year. So first year is here, 1995. So second year will be 1996, right? We'll be adding 1 to it. And the third term means we'll be adding 2 to it. That will be 1997. But here, let's first find out n. See, if that n turns out to be 3, I told you, then we will have to add 2 here, not 3, but 2. Why? See, this itself is the first year. So in 1996, what happens? Let us have a timeline here. 1995, we have 5,000 rupees. 1996, what happens? It's 5,200. Increment of 200. What about 1997? What happened? 5,400. Another increment. Now let's compare this. This is the first year when he started. After 1 year, in the second year, 1996, the increment goes 1 time. So this is our second term. This is a first term. This is our second term. For second term, I add 1 and it becomes 1996. This is third term. Third term means after 2 years this is, right? So I will get this 1995, 1996, 1997. How do I arrive at 1997? I add 2 to this. For getting the third term, I am adding 2 to this. If there was a fourth term, then what would happen? 1998. How would I get 1998 from 95? I will have to add 3 to it. So see, whatever place value we are finding here, we have to reduce it by 1 and that number should be added to 1995 to get the present year where Subbarao gets 7,000 rupees. Clear? Now let us try to find out n value. N value is an formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? 7,000 of course. 7,000. What's a? First term. 5,000 plus n, don't know. We need to find out n minus 1. Difference is there, 200. So difference 200. 5,000 comes to the other side, becomes minus 5,000. 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200. Okay. 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000. Into 200 comes to other side, becomes divided by 200. What is left out? N minus 1. 2 zeros cancel. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Answer n minus 1 is equal to 10. If n minus 1 is 10, then what is n? Minus 1 goes to the other side, becomes plus 1. Answer is 11. So we got n value. We know that the 11th term will be the last term and that is the place where he gets 7,000. So I initially told you, if you wanted the third term to be the answer, you have to add 2 to the 1995, that year. So you will get the answer 1997 as the third year. See, 1995 is the first year, 1996 is the second year, 1997 is the third year. But to arrive from 95 to 97, you have to add 2. So if I want fourth term, then I have to add 3. If I want the fifth year, then I have to add 4. So if I want the 11th year, how much should I add? 1 less than that, that is 10. So the year during which Mr. Subbarao gets 7,000 rupees per annum is 1995 plus, remember it's 11 year, you have to reduce it by 1 and add and make it 10, which is 1995 plus 10, we arrive at 2005. During 2005, this year, his salary becomes 7,000. So this 2005 is the year in which he gets. So if you are comparing from the first on which year it is coming, so you will have to concentrate on this. N is 11th year. So we call it as 11th year, he gets the 7,000 rupees salary. But if you want to mention the year which it was, you will have to say it is 2005. It's better to write both.